After reaping success in the 2025 Kingston and St. Andrew Business Health football season, head coach of Division 1 champions RJ Gleaner Group, Fabian Swaby, is already looking forward to next season. The RJ Gleaner Group were double champions as they also copped the five-a-side trophy. Swaby is hoping to better this season come next year.
I'm very pleased with the team. I'm very pleased with the performance. Out of the 4 trophies we collect 2, which is fair enough for us. We didn't get a chance to collect all 4, but we have to give thanks anyway. We try our very best. We give it our best. Hopefully next season we can go all the way around and give a good performance that we normally did.
Meanwhile, coach of Division 2 champions Scotiabank, Damian Gordon, says discipline led to his team's success this season, and he knows it will be a tougher competition in Division 1 next year.
I mean, we're still Umbra as a unit. It's a huge achievement for us. From day one, we had a plan in terms of how well we were going to execute that plan. And a very disciplined team, and we were like a family, and I think that was one of our strengths. We still have to remain focused. We just have to try to get some addition to the team, just to see how far we can go in the next competition. But we have a very strong bunch and dedicated, so with that we will move forward.
Both coaches stressed the importance of having an outlet for employees to have friendly competition or friendly competitive rivalry.
I think it brings togetherness, different entity. You meet players, you meet other organizations. And the guys really enjoy representing the company because, as you say, it relieves stress and it brings togetherness.
I think it set a platform for a lot of players and give them an opportunity to work and also play the game that we love. So tonight also speak volume in terms of this stride that business houses have taken. Now we're seeing that you're getting money and stuff like that. But more so it's just the morale for the youths and an extra opportunity.
Swaby and Gordon were speaking at the recent award ceremony for the competition.